Ho, ho, ho!
Hey everyone, it's Ayushi Jain. Welcome back to my channel Fix Your English with Ayushi. First of all, wishing you all a Merry Christmas. And yes, Christmas is here, and I have decorated a Christmas tree at my home. Today's lesson is all about Christmas. I'm giving you various phrases, idioms, or vocabulary related to Christmas. So without further delay, let's get into the video. So, the Christmas is our annual Christian festival which celebrates the birth of Jesus Christ, and it falls every year on 25th of December. So, the first word is Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve is the evening or a day before Christmas Day, which usually falls on 24th of December. And the 25th of December usually is called Christmas Day, which is celebrated as birth of Jesus Christ. So, the next word is Advent. Advent is usually the arrival of someone or something important, and it is the month leading to Christmas. Advent. So, the next word is Xmas. Xmas is the informal or abbreviation term for Christmas. So, the next word is White Christmas. White Christmas is the Christmas with snow on the ground. If there is snowfall on 24th of December or 25th of December, then it is called White Christmas. The next word is Tinsel. Tinsel is the decoration consisting of thin strips of metal foil, which is usually done during Christmas. The next word is Star of Bethlehem. It is the star that announced the birth of Jesus Christ and guided the wise men to find him. The next word is sleigh. It is the light cart pulled by the horses or reindeers on the snow or ice. The next word is shepherd. Shepherd. It is the person who looks after the sheep. The next word is Santa Claus. The Santa Claus is also known as the father of Christmas Day. It is the imaginary man with a red colored dress and a long grey beard, and it distributes the gifts to the children. Next word is present. The present is a thing which is given to somebody as a gift. The next word is reindeer. Reindeer. A reindeer is the deer with large antlers which is found in a cold climate and which is believed to pull the sleigh for Father of Christmas. Next word is ornament. Ornament is a decoration or a something which adds the beauty to something. Next word is nativity play. Nativity play. A nativity play is a play that people perform on Christmas based on the birth of Jesus. The next word is nativity. Nativity is the birth of Jesus. Nativity. The next word is Mary. Mary is the mother of Jesus. The next word is myrrh. Myrrh is a gum used for perfume or incense. It is one of the gifts that three wise men gave to Jesus. The next word is mistletoe. Mistletoe. It is the parasitic plant with white berries, which was traditionally used as Christmas decoration. The next word is manger. Manger. It is the trough of food for horses or cattle. Was used by Mary as a cradle for Jesus Christ. The next word is Magi. Magi. The Magi was the wise man from the east that brought gifts for baby Jesus. Next word is Joseph. Joseph was the husband of Mary or father of Jesus. The next word is Jesus. Jesus was the name of Christ, and in Christianity it is believed that he was the son of God. The next word is holy. Holy. Holy is the evergreen plant with prickly dark green leaves and red berries. The next word is Father Christmas. Father Christmas is none other than Santa Claus. Santa Claus is also known as Father of Christmas. Next word is decoration. Decoration is something that adds beauty or ornament. The next word is Christmas tree. A Christmas tree is an evergreen tree which people usually decorate on Christmas with various ornaments and different beautiful lights and decorations. Next word is Christmas present. The Christmas present is the gift or present which people exchange during Christmas. The next word is Christmas carols. The Christmas carols are the religious songs or popular hymns that people sing on Christmas. Next word is Christianity. Christianity is the religion which is based on the principles and teachings of Jesus Christ. The next word is Christ. The Christ is the name of Jesus or title given to Jesus. The next word is Bethlehem. Bethlehem is the small town in Middle East which is believed to be the birthplace of Jesus Christ. So that is it all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you had, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to share this video with everyone. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Merry Christmas.